2019 Mini Convertible Review, 2019 Mini Cooper Convertible, 2019 Mini Convertible S, New Cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Mini brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Mini Convertible Review, 2019 Mini Cooper Convertible, 2019 Mini Convertible S, New Cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Mini Convertible Review, 2019 Mini Cooper Convertible, 2019 Mini Convertible S, New Cars by. Since its 2000 revival by BMW, Mini has been all about individuality and fun, and a number of style and tech updates for model year 2019 are aimed at enhancing those traits. Introduced at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit, the updates apply to the Mini 2 and 4-door hardtops and the Mini Convertible. Cosmetic touches include a new Mini badge, liberally applied to the hood, tailgate, steering wheel, instrument binnacle, and key fob. The new logo is also available as a puddle light, projected below the driver's side mirror. The design team also gave the new LED taillights a unique touch, with a Union Jack flag pattern in the lenses, a nifty idea first floated on the John Cooper Works GP Mini concept in 2017. Redesigned lights. Beyond that, the Mini Trio sport a redesign of their trademark ovoid headlights that includes an LED option with a turn signal surround. Halogen headlamps continue to be standard, as well as 3 new exterior colors, including piano black, and new 17-inch wheel designs that include 2-tone variants. Interior refinements are devoted to tech upgrades, including a new 8.8-inch color touchscreen with a navigation and premium audio option. A 6.5-inch color screen is standard, expanded leather and trim color choices, expanded functions for the Mini Connected and Mini Connected XL infotainment and connectivity features, wireless smartphone and computer recharging, and standard Bluetooth interface. The updated Minis also expand the list of custom features available in the company's many years customized inventory, conceived to help owners lend individuality to their cars. The freshened Minis are expected to begin arriving in showrooms in the first quarter of the new year. Thanks.